Mr. D again, doing a really quick video on another PlayShifu game or learning device, and this one's going to be called Plugo, and they come as count or letters or links. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick one on count, and the app that we use is going to be the new one called Plugo. That's what it looks like in the App Store if you're using an iPad or an Apple device. And in the Plugo Count, the hands-on math kit, you get a magnetic, this is what they call, the company calls it Spike, and you get the mat that holds the iPad, and then a set of numbers and some signs. First thing you want to do is open up the app, click on Plugo. It'll come up. If this is the first time doing it, it's going to ask you for your location, an email, and if you agree to the terms. Once you have all that done, you can then go ahead and personalize it and put in your grade level. I've already have all of them done, so I'm just showing you. I'll have the profiles and all that. Add your profile. Select the grade level that you're in, hit save, don't forget to put a nickname for it, and all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of this one, and I'm just going to do a first grade one real quick. Go back to the main page, and since we're doing count, we're going to go ahead and do count. And usually it's going to tell you to put the iPad all the way to the left with the camera on the left side, and go ahead and put Spike on the center magnetic spots, the number 2 and the number 3. There are 4, so I'm going to go ahead and put Spike on there. Now, I like to move Spike around until you hear it click, all the little magnets inside. There we go. Spike is on there now. Once you have it on there, go ahead and pick a game that you want to play. If you're doing a lesson, follow the lesson. I'm just going to do this for demonstration purposes and do Asteroid. You can't do Phantom Galaxy until you do all 45 I guess levels on the Solar Empire. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Solar Empire, skip the introduction, and we're going to be using these tiles here, these finger tiles. Now when you put them on, it doesn't matter which one you put them on, it still reads no matter which one you put on. So just follow what it asks you to do.
How many ice rocks do you see?
So there's 5 ice rocks. I'm going to go over here and find the number 5. And I'm going to put it over here on this one, and you can see that it counts it. It does start off easy, and it then builds up and gets a little harder. So if you feel like it's too easy at first, don't worry. It'll get a little more difficult. So we have a total of 7. So we're going to go here, find the 7. And this one I'm going to go ahead and put in the middle, so it shows that it does work in the middle as well.
7 fireballs. Do you see? We've made it this far, officer. Well
I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to make it wrong on purpose so you see what happens. So it's 4. Let's go ahead and put 3.
Do you see?
I'll put it on this one.
3.
Take a look at the heart. If you don't get it in the amount of time and change it, it's counting down, you'll lose a heart.
Asteroids.
So
do you see?
It's going to give me a couple chances to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 4 on there.
4. That's awesome.
So that's asteroids, and that's how Spike works. I'll show you some other ones.
Ice rock.
I know that a lot of the students like Tales of Numero. Same with this one. You can't get to the secret of the brew until you get all the levels done in Temple. So we're going to go ahead and do this one real quick.
Count the number of rocks. 1. Amazing! Thanks for helping out.
So just explore it, test it out. The further you get in the game, the harder it'll get, and just see how far you can get.
Can you count the number of petals on the flower?
So, if you're using this for the first time, if you're at home doing virtual learning, explore it, have fun with it, and try to do some of the lessons that I send home. Other than that, have fun. Talk to you later.